Welcome to this week's video, and I'm really excited to be sharing this one with you because I've been waiting for this coin to come out all year. It's the Agatha Christie £2 coin. Now, when I saw this in the annual sets at the start of the year, I was like, that is probably the best £2 coin design that I've ever seen. So I knew already that I was going to be buying the silver proof of it. So there it is, Agatha Christie, 100 Years of Mystery, 2020 UK £2 silver proof coin. And on the other side, we've got the same thing. And then on the back, we've got some information. And we'll have a look at that in a second, of course. But let's get into the box and show off all the information and the coin itself. Okay, so there we go. The box is put to one side. We'll have a look at that in a second. But then we've got the black box inside and then all of the information on this card here. So let's just pop this open, make sure that the coin is in there. There it is. And then I've got my COA there. So we'll come on to that in a second because I want to have a look at all the information that we get in this card. What I'm going to do is the usual thing where I just scan along quickly, and if you want to have a read of any of the pages, then feel free to pause and have a read at your own pace. And then at the back we get a bit of information about the coin designer. And then, as I previously mentioned, that is the back of the box if you want to have a read of that. And then of course we've got the COA right here, which has the coin specs on it, which we'll have a quick look at before we actually move on to the coin itself. So the denomination is £2, the inner alloy is 925 AG sterling silver, outer alloy 925 AG sterling silver plated with 999 AU fine gold. The weight is 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. Edge inscription on this £2 coin reads Little Grey Cells. Obverse designer is Jody Clark, reverse designer David Lawrence, and the quality is proof. Now the maximum coin mintage is 3,255, but in this black box presentation it's limited to just 2,250. So now let's check out the coin itself. And we'll start off with the obverse of the coin as usual. Just look at that finish. Frosted, silver proof, £2 coin. That is stunning. Now it might actually surprise some of you, but I was super excited obviously for this coin to come out, and it's the first ever silver proof £2 coin that I've bought, because I am now in the habit of only buying silver proof coins that I really like the design of, and this one is no exception. And there it is, the reverse of the coin that I fell in love with. 1920 to 2020, the Agatha Christie £2 coin, 100 Years of Mystery. And I just love it. It's just fantastic. I don't know why it's so simple, but it has so much going on in it. It's just a great design. And of course, as you can see, this silver proof finish is just fantastic. And like I said, the first ever £2 silver proof coin that I've had, and I'm taken back by it. It's just beautiful. And there we have it. That is my first silver proof £2 coin, and I think it's going to be tough to top that one in my opinion. I don't know how you feel. I just think that the design is amazing. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of the coin. And also, have you bought it? Did you get the bunk? Did you get it in silver proof? And did anybody get the gold proof? Let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.